Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eva and in today's video I want to show you this pumpkin spice latte recipe that is vegan. It is inspired by Starbucks, but it is way healthier version of it. I know how everyone including me is obsessed with this drink in fall. It is festive, it is cozy, it's delicious, but we all know that it is loaded with a lot of sugar and it is really high in calories. I don't really count calories, but this drink is full of empty calories. It doesn't have anything good in it. It's starting from the milk that they use to the whipped cream, the artificial sweeteners, chemicals, colors. Give you this better alternative that is going to save you also a lot of money, because those drinks at Starbucks are kind of pricey. So making yourself a healthy version, saving on money and having all clean and organic ingredients. And I will just show you the ingredients. The first thing you will need is a frother. If you don't have a frother, don't be afraid to do this on the stove. It will work just as fine. Just the frother might give you a little bit more foam. I already brewed my coffee. I'm just using regular coffee, but if you like espresso, espresso will work the best. I just cannot have espresso because it's a little too strong for me and it makes me jittery. You will need some ground cinnamon, and I'm using organic ground cinnamon. Then pumpkin pie spice, this one is from Trader Joe's. Then we will need vanilla. I'm using organic vanilla extract. And to sweeten mine, I will be using just maple syrup. This is optional, but I like the maple syrup because it's a healthier version to sugar. It blends really well and gives very nice sweetness. This one is organic maple syrup that I got from Trader Joe's. My milk of choice is coconut milk. This is just regular coconut milk, and I like this one because it is creamy and also doesn't have anything besides just coconut milk and water, and that's all that's in here. This is also optional. You can use oat milk, you can use almond milk. I like this because it is creamier and makes it more close to the Starbucks version. And kind of the main ingredient is pumpkin puree, and I got this one from Trader Joe's. It's just organic pumpkin. And we're starting with about a cup of coconut milk, a tablespoon of pumpkin, and I'm doing about a tablespoon of maple syrup. This is also start with 1 tablespoon and see how it goes. You can add more, but I think this is the perfect sweetness that it gives. And also the vanilla extract that I have is very concentrated, so I'm doing a half teaspoon, and then about a half of teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice. I just kind of give you measurements so you can recreate this at home, but you're just going to blend this in the frother, and it smells so delicious right now. And just pour it over the coffee. I like to put a little bit of cinnamon. Here you have it, your healthy version of the Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. Let me just try it. It's so yummy. It is so good and cozy. It has the perfect sweetness. Of course, if you like it sweeter, go ahead and add a little bit of extra maple syrup. If you don't like coffee, you can do this with black tea or chai. It will be just so good. It is creamy, tasty, and gives me this fall mood. I wish it was a little bit cooler here in Arizona. If you like iced coffee, you will enjoy this over ice as well. I'm so happy that I'm putting healthy and clean ingredients in my body, but at the same time still enjoying this festive and popular drink. guys try this recipe, please leave me in the comments below if you liked it, and also let me know what is your favorite fall drink. Love making videos, so if you subscribe to my channel, it will motivate me so much more. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!